The servo loop status gives you a layout of all the different types of moves that could be going on with an axis. So you select the axis here, you can display it in either counts or user units, which will be in inches, millimeters, revs, whatever the project was set for. The current position is the commanded motion, so if you're doing a multi-axis interpolated motion like an XYZ, X10, Y3, Z, whatever, this is the portion of the interpolated motion associated with the axis. You can also do a jog axis move, which is a single axis offset move. You can also gear to a source or cam to a source. Together these add to become the primary set point. You can also have ball screw and backlash compensation. Those add together to become the secondary set point. The difference between the secondary set point and the actual position is the following error. That multiplied by the tuning gains gives you the summation point of how much voltage is coming out of the controller with some optional filtering and a torque limit. The final output signal can be as high as +10 all the way down to -10 depending on the tuning gains and the following error. So this is a one status panel that gives you an idea of everything that's going on with an axis, rather than in the numeric status you would have to come into each type of move and see these